All right, so we are back from the break with the so anybody is ready to go through question 1 because
Yes, sir.
you should have at least gone through a few of these questions. All right, who is going first?
Me, sir.
All right, go ahead, Miss Trivia.
So I have 3x.
All right, so for the first bracket, when you remove, you have x. Yep.
Plus 3. Plus 2x. Plus 8.
So it's a 2x plus 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, go ahead, answer.
And I group the like terms 3x.
All right, so you group 3x with 2x, simplify what?
Yes. 5x.
All right, so you get 5x.
And 3 plus 8, 11.
So plus 11. All right,
Yes.
very good, Miss Trivia. Anybody else got that? Let me see your hands. All right, at least. Okay, a few of you got that. All right, great. Moving along. Question 2, who would like to go for question 2? Is there any volunteer who wants to go for question 2? Ajena, can you do question 2 for us, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
After removing the bracket then from, I got 10a.
All right, so you get A.
Plus 20.
Then E. Still not getting of this thing. Sometimes it works well, sometimes it doesn't. So just bear with me, guys. So 10A plus 20.
For the second bracket, I got minus 12a.
Minus 12A.
Minus 6.
Minus 6. All right. I want to simplify that now. What you get?
The answer I got is 2a minus 18.
All right, you sure that the 2A that you got?
Minus 2a.
Okay, so you got minus 2A.
And minus 18.
Minus 8. All right. Nobody else who got that answer? Let me see a hand. Let me see the hand if you had gotten that answer. Mr. Giovanni. All right. Anybody else? Anybody else got that answer, guys? Let me see your hands.
14, me have.
Sir, can go back, please?
Yes, sir. It's 2a minus 2a plus 14 I have.
Okay. All right. I wasn't even noticing. All right. So it's actually 14. So it shouldn't be 8 here. It should be a 4. You see that, Mr. Ojeno?
Seriously, sir.
All right. So and it wouldn't even be minus. It would have been what?
Plus, sir.
Okay. All right. So you have seen where you made your mistake, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. All right. Thanks, guys. So who else want to go for question 3? Well, who else would like to go? Question 3.
Me, sir.
All right, go ahead, Miss Maywell.
Sir, 3x plus 12 take away 6x. No. Wrong. 2x, sir.
Yeah.
Take away 5.
All right. So let's simplify this. What you get?
Sir, we are going to group them.
What you get for the x? Go ahead, Miss Maywell. Tell me what you get when you simplify the x. What you get?
Sir, 12. 12x. 12x.
How you arrive at 12x?
Where's screen gone? Oh, sir, 3 plus 3x.
Mm-hmm.
Question, sir. Me have to group them and then me work out if you get the correct answer.
Well, yeah, you have to group the x's together. So
All right, sir. Let me do that because I never that way them do it while ago.
all right.
So 3x.
So you're going to group it first.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we have 3x. Continue, miss.
Take away 2x
Minus 2x
plus 12 take away 5.
take away. All right, do the calculation now. What you get?
So 3x plus 2x equal 5x.
Look at the signs, miss.
Oh, 3x take away 2x equal x, sir.
So this will give you x.
X. Yes, sir.
And then now,
12 plus 5 is 17.
got the signs again, Miss Maywell.
12 take away 5.
They'll give you one.
7, sir.
Okay. So this is a positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay, positive. So. All right, guys.
So x equal 7.
You sure about that? Miss Maywell?
7x.
You sure about that?
Sir. No, sir. I am not sure.
Okay. Is x and 7 like terms?
No.
Right, so you leave them as is. You can't add x to 7. You don't know what x is.
Okay, sir.
All right, and you certainly can't group them on column 7x because you're not multiplying, right? Only when you're
Oh,
multiplying you group them like that. Well,
oh.
all right. Anybody else got this answer? Let me see. All right, good. All right, very good, guys. Like to go for the next. That's what question.
Come outside and do it.
Question 4. Who would like to go for question 4?
Sir, I'll go ahead.
Hold on, Miss Waysam. That's
Yes,
it.
sir.
All right, stick up in. Let me call on someone.
Okay.
All right, Miss Belani. Miss Belani, are you there? Are you hearing me? Students, you have to respond so that I know whether or not you're there. Miss Shea, are you there? Miss Shea, are you there? All right. I will take it that you're not there. All right, Miss Green, are you there? Are you hearing me, Miss Green?
Yes, sir. I'm working on that one, sir.
You're working on this one. So you don't want to work it with us?
So far, I have 4.
All right, so you're going to work it with us?
Yes, sir. It's number 4, right? Yes, number 4.
Yeah.
Number 4.
Yeah. All right, go ahead. Let us work this together. So tell me what you have for the first bracket.
I have 4 minus 8x.
All right, so you have 4 minus 8x. And for the second bracket again,
Minus 9x.
minus 9x.
Minus 12.
Minus 12. All right. Anybody else agree with that expansion from Miss Green? Let me see.
Plus 12, sir.
Okay. Miss Green. Yeah.
Sir.
Mr. Paisley said.
I didn't hear him clearly, sir.
Say it again, Mr. Paisley.
Positive 12, sir.
Okay. Do you agree with him, Miss Green?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
So it's supposed to be positive 12. All right. Consider Miss Green.
All right, sir. So you're going to have x.
What are you doing? You're grouping the x's together, or you're just simplifying and giving me the answer?
Simplify and giving you the answer, sir. The x
So
in
for the
blue
x's,
terms.
what you get?
X.
What you get?
And x, sir. Negative x.
You sure you want to check that again?
No, positive x, sir.
You want to check that again?
Yes, sir. You hear me, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm hearing you, but do you want to check it again? What is the answer?
Hold on. Ne- Sir, what is it? No, me have heard.
Miss Wilson, would you like to help Miss Green with that calculation?
Sir,
Yes.
she's adding negative 8x
Yeah,
plus 9x
negative
minus with minus. That would be minus 17x, sir.
Thanks very much. Do you hear that, Miss Green?
Yes, sir.
You see why it is negative 17x?
Yes, sir. I see now, sir.
What is the rule there? Miss Green?
Sir would be a positive. Yes, sir. You hear me, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm hearing you. So what is the rule?
You hear me, sir?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, the two negatives, sir, would be a positive. So you would add the 9 and the 8.
Miss Green,
Yes, sir.
you listening to me?
Yes, sir. You hear me, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm hearing you. You can only have positive when you're multiplying two negatives. All right, miss?
Yes, sir.
Are we multiplying here?
No, sir.
All right. You remember what Miss Wilson said? You get what?
Negative 17, sir.
Yeah. So how would we arrive at that negative 17x?
Negative 8x plus 9x, sir.
Right, but why is it negative 17x?
Because it was a negative plus a positive, sir.
Looking at both x's, what are the signs?
One is negative, sir.
Which one is negative?
The 8.
All right. So the next one is one.
Negative 2, sir.
All right. So what you notice here? When you're
The two negatives, sir. You're adding two negatives.
so when you're
End up-
adding two negatives, you add them and keep the sign, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that means you need to revisit those rules and ensure that you know them well. All right.
Yes, sir.
Continue with the other part of the question. So now you need to work with positive 4, positive 12. What you get when you simplify this?
Positive 4. No, finish that fast, sir.
Then look at it and see if you can work it out quickly now.
That's what I'm doing, sir.
You don't get any answer yet.
I got the answer.
16, sir. Positive 16.
All right. Anybody else agree with Miss Green? Positive 16?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Correct, Miss Green. And now, if you were to write it in the conventional way, Miss Green, how would you write this?
Sir?
Yeah, if you were to write the answer in the conventional way, what is the way how we would write it?
I remember, sir.
Anybody can write this in the conventional way for me, please? Tell me what to write.
16 minus 17x, sir.
Correct. So writing positives and negative, we first write the positive, then the negative. Is that clear, Miss Green?
Yes, sir.
Right. That's a conventional way of writing the answer. However, if you had given me this, it still would be correct. All right. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me see the answer, those who got this answer. Only one person get the answer. Anybody else? Okay. All right. I only saw a few hands for this question. So apparently a lot of persons didn't get it correctly. All right. I hope everybody's okay with the question now. Let me see the hands of those who are comfortable with this question. All right, probably I should answer another question. Let me see the hands of those who are uncomfortable with question 4. All right, so I'll take it that everybody's comfortable with question 4 then. Who would like to go for question 5? Ms. Shea, are you back as yet?
Good night, sir.
Good night, Ms. Shea. How are you today? Are you ready to work through question 5 for us?
No, sir.
You're not? Miss
No, sir. I am just not too long coming in.
Miss Trivia, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to work question 5 for us?
Question 5. I'll try.
All right, go ahead.
I have 10x
All right, so you have 10x.
minus 5y
A second, let me formulate these things properly. So 10x minus
5y
5y
minus 3x
minus 3x
minus 6y.
minus 6y. All right.
Then I group the like terms 10x minus 3x.
All right, so your like terms will be 10x and minus 3x. So in a group, you get,
7x
all right, so you get 7x.
Then negative 5y minus 6y would be y.
You want to check that again?
Negative 5y. Hold on. 11, sir. 11y
Just 11y?
minus 11y.
Okay. All right, let me see the answer those who got this answer. All right, very good, guys. Moving along. Thanks very much, Ms. Traber. Who would like to go for question 6? Ms. Caveira, you would like to do this one for us?
Sir, I don't know if you could ask somebody else.
Okay. Any volunteer? Ms.
Sir?
Clark,
Yes, sir.
go ahead.
I'm not sure if I'm right. I just tried something.
All right, continue.
Alright. What I did, sir, is I put everything like in a fraction form.
I'm going to start it from up here. Go ahead.
So what I did, I have one bracket y minus 1 bracket over 2. So I put everything over in a fraction form first, and then I find a denominator, sir. And then I group the like terms.
All right. Stick up. I wouldn't recommend that approach, because when you do it like that, you're going to now have a fraction where your numerator is an expression, and in that way you have challenges in simplifying. All right, so I wouldn't take that approach.
Okay then, sir.
Anybody else would like to try? Ms. Waysom?
Yes, I'll try.
All right, go ahead.
Right, sir. So for the set out, I have removing the bracket, I have half y.
Half y.
Yes, sir, minus 1. Yes, sir, plus
You sure that's what you want to put there, Ms. Waysom?
oh, it's a half, sir, sorry.
Okay. So 1 times that will give you back. All right.
I do the half minus
Continue.
half, right, sir. Plus 3y, 2 over 3y.
All right, so
Plus 2 over 3y, sir.
all right, so you call that 2/3.
2 over 3y. Yes.
Continue.
Yes, sir. Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And we group like terms. So it's
All
half
right.
y plus 2 3y.
All right, so bear in mind that when you're multiplying by fractions, you can actually replace the numerator times, or you can multiply what you have in the numerator times what you have. So in this case, we have 1 numerator times y, so that's y over 2. Follow me, sir?
Yes, sir.
And then now we have 2 times y over 3 for the other one.
Yes, sir.
What next?
Hold on, sir. So that minus half, sir. Minus 1.
All right, so minus a half,
Yes, sir.
minus 1.
Yes, sir.
All right.
And then, sir, when you add y over 2 plus 2y over 3, you get 5 over 6y.
You arrive at that, Miss Rachel.
Sir, well, let me work it back to see if I so.
Yeah, but I want you to walk me to the process.
Sir, I did the LCM method.
So what's the LCM? You can skip the steps from this.
6, sir. Okay.
So
6,
the
sir.
LCM is 6.
Yes, sir.
Then,
And 2 into 6 goes 3 times.
right,
3 times y would give you 3y.
all right. Next,
Yes, sir. And then keep the signs or the plus sign because we're dealing with positive numbers. Mhm. Then 3 into 6 goes 2, sir.
yeah,
2 2s 4.
would it be just 4?
4y, sir. So 4 plus 3, that is 7.
All right, do you want to just
We'll
simplify
have
number?
7y over 6.
Would you like to simplify the minus a half with the minus 1 before we move to the other part?
Sir, that will give us minus 1.5.
All right, so here now we would simplify the numerator, you get what?
7y, sir.
And then clearly we're going to put that
Over 6. Yes, sir.
All right, so Ms. Wisdom, if you leave out those steps in the exam, you're going to lose marks. All right. Anybody else got this answer? Let me see your hand.
Sir, I only got the 7y part, sir, but I don't understand how she get the 1.5.
Okay, all right, so you know that 1 is a whole number, half is a fraction. You just group them together. 1 whole plus a half, so it's, both of them are negative. Add them negatively.
Yes, sir, but can you go up back to the second line, sir?
From here,
Yes, sir.
right, so I'm saying that you can just simply, this is a whole number, and this is a fraction. Once you're adding a whole number with a fraction, you just put the fraction beside it and keep the signs. Follow? If you want to go the longer route, then what you would have to do, you would have to write 1 here as a fraction, and you would put that over 1. Then you would find the LCM. What would be the LCM here? Yes,
2, sir.
2, right? Now you would say 2 into itself goes.
1 time.
So 1 times -1 give you what? -1, right?
Yes, sir.
And 1 into 2 goes.
2 times.
2 times -1 give you what? -2. When you add both of them negatively,
Oh, okay.
-3 over 2, but when you mix that back now, what you get?
You get back the -1.5.
Right, so I was just saying to you that instead of going that long route, these are both negative, so you know that you're adding them negatively. So if you have 1 whole plus a half, you have 1.5. So because they are both negative, then it will become negative 1.5 because you're adding them in the negative sense.
All right, sir.
That clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is everybody clear on that? Let me see your hands. All right, good. All right, so we have more questions to do. So I'm just going to ask you now, give you about 2-3 minutes to complete, or about 5 minutes to complete this. And then now we go through them together. All right, go ahead, guys, and be prepared to walk me through your solutions.